everyone, and welcome. Today I've got out one of my 4.5-inch Mandala brainstorms, and I'm going to use it a little bit differently than you've seen me use it before. I am going to pull down all of the paints, glitters, rhinestones, anything that reminds me of this month's Birthstone, which is Aquamarine. I am going to put them all up here kind of like a little swatch so I can see what I like, I can see what I don't like, and make sure that all of my colors go together well. Now, down on the bottom portions, I am not going to plan this mandala. Instead, I'm going to use it to kind of come up with some new doodles. And that's exactly what I did. So all I have to do now is get a rock, give it a couple of coats of black paint, get those guidelines on there, and I am ready to go. You guys, I have a slew of helpful videos down in the description. If you need help on how to use the Mandala brainstorms or how to use this DIY stencil or anything you see on here, how to resin your stones, or I don't know, there's all sorts of things down there. Look at those helpful videos. Whether you're a brand new artist or you've been doing this for a while, JaDeL here might have a little something up her sleeve. You never know. We might teach each other something, so check them out. All right, now I am going to get going. I am going to use the new doodles that I came up with and see if I can't make a cool mandala with them. Let's go. Here's to all of you in March. Happy birthday. All right, I am ready to use this crystal blue, but like the screen says, I've got an alert in my head. Whenever I see these really light pastel colors, immediately my mind goes back to that peach colored rock where I had all those swooshes and beautiful dots just to watch it dry and crack like the desert floor. I decided right then, no more. I began using Liquitex's Slow Dry formula. Now, sometimes I might use this fluid additive like I'm going to do today, but then other times you might see me use their medium, and I thought you might wonder, what's the difference? And that was a question I couldn't answer with facts. So I headed over to Liquitex.com and looked up their key features and how to use them. I've got a screenshot right here for you. Go ahead and pause it and read these. It's really, really interesting. My reasons for picking one over the other are a whole lot more simple. Y'all, I think I was just using my own common sense and I got lucky and I got it right. Basically, if I wanted my paint thin, I was going to use the Slow Dry Fluid additive. And if I didn't want my paint to be thin, I was using the medium. Because if you look at the two products, one is thick and one is thin, so it just made sense to me. But after looking everything up over on Liquitex.com, it seems like I have a deeper understanding of each product now and how to use them. So there are some things things that go along with it that I didn't know. So this was really helpful for me too. If you guys have any input on these two products, let me know down in the description. I would love to talk about this with y'all. And if I'm being honest, my family is so sick of hearing about this stuff. I just know it. Y'all be giving them a break. Anyway, I'm going to be quiet now. Shh, back to it, JaDeL. Alright, so I'm to the edge of my rock where gravity is in full force, and it's the perfect opportunity to show y'all what I was talking about before. When I'm picking a slow dry for this paint that's drying out in the well so bad, this would be an awesome opportunity to pick that medium, the green one, because it's thicker and it won't cause this. I use the fluid additive to show you how it really does seem to thin the paint a little bit, and it's going to cause it to run on our rocks. Now, if you find yourself in this bind, go ahead and just use a dotting tool and keep, you just have to babysit it until you get it to where it needs to be. But this is one of the reasons why I might choose the medium. I think all other reasons, I prefer the fluid additive. So I hope this explains what I'm trying to explain so much. Let me know if you have any questions. my goodness, you guys, it is March and happy birthday. There are so many wonderful people born in March. Both of my very best friends in life, my dad, some of my new online friends, some of you right here in the community, you know who you are. March is a wonderful month, and I really hope you like your birthstone. You guys, I'm having so much fun with this. Next month is April, and it's my birthday, so I am going to do something that I normally wouldn't do, and you'll just have to wait and see what that is. Let me pull out January and February and put them right here with March, and let's see how far our birthstone series has come so far. You guys, this is so much fun. I'm going to leave a playlist here that has all 3 of these videos in it, and I will continue to add to it. I want you to watch it. I want you to let me know about your experience with that slow dry, and I want you to rock on.